What's going on, you guys? Just here back with another video. Today it's gonna be an unboxing of the Logitech Z313 50-watt speaker and subwoofer. I got this on Amazon for $33. It is compatible with Mac, Windows, iPad, and iPhone. This will work for any Android device also. Alright, we're just going to cut open this little sticky thing here. Inside the box we have a user manual. Here's some instructions on how to hook it up. The first thing you see is the control switch. It's got the on button, volume up, volume down. Green light means it's on. An outlet. Inside we have the subwoofer, the two speakers, one speaker, alright, I'm going to set it up and then we're going to do a sound check. These speakers really do sound amazing. Overall, they're just really good speakers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, favorite, and I'll catch you right back here in the next video.